What's up, guys? So I'm going to do something a little different today. Just a forewarning, this video is probably going to be pretty boring. So today I got a good amount of stuff going on, so I'm not really able to film any car things. I went and got my hair cut, which was fantastic, much needed. Then I have a meeting today at 1 o'clock, and then I have work from 3 o'clock to 10 o'clock. So I'm going to not quite finish done editing today's video, but I'm going to finish it up tonight and post it up. I just post all my videos as I go to bed, so that way they're just up and ready in the morning. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about was the direction of this YouTube channel and what I want from it and what I plan to do with it, and all that sort of stuff. So starting off, the reason why I'm posting videos, the reason why I started posting videos was mainly just for me. I wanted to post them as a way that I could kind of have like an old scrapbook, a way that I could look back and see the progress that I've made. That's why a lot of the videos are just time-lapse from when I started. It's just, I like being able to just go back and watch them, see my car transform to what it was. Even if it's not exactly perfectly the way I want it, it's still progress and I still like to see that. So moving forward though, I've always have wanted to start posting more videos for a couple reasons. First reason is, there's no way around it. I just think it's cool, the fact that YouTube gives you the opportunity to use the platform to create a little bit of money off the side, as well as get your content out there, sudden stop, as well as get your content out there for everyone to see and kind of just share my build with the world. I think that's pretty cool. It sounds cheesy, but the idea is great behind it. Another reason why I'm starting to kind of pick it up now is it gives me more motivation to work on my car. So I'm sure a lot of you guys know you have a bunch of plans for your car and things that you want to do, but you never really find the motivation or seem to find the time to do some. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to be trying to put out 4 videos a week. The schedule will probably go, putting them out Monday through Friday night. Is that 4? I think that's 4. Maybe I'll turn it up to 5 if I'm able to, but 4 is a good start for now. And then it'll give me a good 3-day weekend to enjoy time and not put on too much pressure for me. But the style of the videos that you're going to be seeing are probably more vlog style, but not totally vlog style, like kind of a mix. It's going to be a lot, I guess you could say, like a B is for build type deal, where we have projects for the day. We're going to just set out the goals, say, here, this is what we're doing, and go ahead and get them done. It's not going to be as much of a lifestyle thing, though I'm not gonna lie, I'm not super fantastic on keeping promises for the goals I set for, say I'm gonna go with this style or whatever, so it may entirely change. So I guess all that being said, you can kind of just keep watching the channel and you'll see what happens is what happens, and that's what you get. As for plans with the car and things I'm going to do, I have a lot, or I do and I don't have a lot to do with this Supra. So Supra isn't my dream project. My dream project car is a Mitsubishi 3000 GT, but that's something that probably won't happen for a few years at the soonest. But Supra wise, what I want to do is I want to finish the wrap, I want to finish all the looks of the car, get that done, and then what I want to do is I want to get it running again. So right now the engine I have blew a head gasket, and I rebuilt it and didn't quite get it all finished up, so I think the timing's off, and I accidentally missed. Let me get over, Elaine. I misthreaded the fuel rail, so the fuel rail was super soft aluminum, and I had a weird angle while tightening it up with the fuel pressure regulator and just stripped it, so that's a no bueno. But I'd love to get that up and going again. If I don't go with this engine, the dream has always been to put a 1JZ in it, and so if I can't get the engine I have running now, then 1JZ will be the way to go. But again, that costs money. That is frankly something I don't have at the moment. So focusing on you guys and what would be great to hear from you is, I mean, I'd love ideas for what. Well, this is the point where you realize that the camera shut off partway through filming, and you don't have an end to your video. So pretty much what I was going to say is that as you're watching this, just go ahead and comment down below what you want to see, what you like from the channel, what you don't like so far. I've kind of tried to put out a little bit of everything at this point. Obviously I can't nail everything, but just trying to put out a little bit of variety, kind of see which one you guys like best and which one I like best, frankly. Yeah, I don't know, I just want to hear what you guys think as well. I know this channel is mostly for me and kind of seeing what I could do and filming myself and, you know, learn experience, but I'd love to get feedback if you guys actually like it, or if it's something where I enjoy it, but I'm kind of just going off the deep end at the same time. So yeah, it's about 1:40 in the morning. I'm a little behind editing if you couldn't tell, but I had a late night picking up people from the airport, so yeah, that's really about it. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, all the good stuff. Don't forget, just like, unsubscribe, leave your hate in the comments. Bye, guys.